Hello guys, I'm Valentin. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make for you a chicken roulade. Very nice and very good to impress your family or your friends. I'm gonna start by deboning the chicken. With all the bones, we're gonna make a jus. We're gonna have a sauté spinach like garnish. All the ingredients you will find them in the description below. I'm gonna show you now how to debone a whole chicken. We're gonna start first by removing the parts we don't need. Some of the extra fat, half of the chicken wings, all the bones we save them for the jus. We start from the back. With a very sharp knife. This is how you guys can debone a chicken. I hope so it's not too difficult. You need to try maybe a few times. With all the bones now straight away, they will go in the oven for 35 minutes, 200 degrees. We need to give them a very nice color. Now I'm going to show you how to prep the filling for the chicken, for our roulade. We're going to start with the high heat on the back. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 cube of butter, we go in some red onion, garlic, mushrooms, chili, red pepper. We need a strong fire, so the vegetable, they will not start releasing the water. We need a dry mix. Now I will remove them and I will leave them to cool down. Okay, after our vegetables they got cooled down, I'm gonna add the next ingredients: chopped spinach, chives, some of our parsley, salt and pepper, breadcrumb, 2 spoons, and 2 eggs. We need to get a dry mix, not too wet. A bit more alcohol. This is our mix. Let's fill up the chicken. To fill up the chicken, you need plastic foil and aluminum foil. I place already the plastic foil on the chopping board. Now very gentle, we're gonna put the chicken on top of it. I'm not going to season the chicken because our mix is already seasoned, and I will fill it up on the middle and I will start rolling it. Now, with the help of the clean film, you roll in it. You need extra clean film on the edges so you can make it more tight. I will show you now how. With more clean film, we tie the edges. You spin it. After you're rolling the chicken with the clean film, to make sure the plastic will not melt in the oven, we need to put it in aluminum foil. This one now is gonna go on the oven for 1 hour and 10 minutes, 160 degrees. Very important, on the tray we're gonna put the chicken, we need to put 2 fingers of water. For the jus, We need to reduce it. After 1 hour and 10 minutes, we remove the roulade from the oven and we leave it rest for 20 minutes. After 1 hour and a half, this is how the chicken juice should look. Now we're gonna strain it. We're gonna get rid of all the bones and all the vegetables. After that, we will put it back to reduce it for another 1 hour. This one go back on the fire and needs to reduce more than half. After 20 minutes rest, I'm gonna remove the aluminum foil and the cling film. Now we're gonna put it back in the oven, 180 degrees for 40 minutes. I'm gonna start preparing the crust for our chicken roulade, and I'm gonna need one egg white, which I'm gonna whisk it. Now we're gonna leave it in the side and we're gonna prepare the dry mix. For the dry mix, we're gonna need some parsley, fresh rosemary, fresh thyme, our pine nuts, pepper, salt, and 1 tablespoon breadcrumb. After 40 minutes in the oven, our chicken got a very nice color. We're gonna leave it rest for another 15-20 minutes. After, we're gonna add the egg yolk and our dry mix on the top. It's gonna go back in the oven for 15 more minutes. Hey guys, on the meantime, our juice reduced to the right consistency. This is the color what it should have, how it should look, the thickness. Now, with the egg white, we're gonna brush it all over the chicken. The reason of that is for our dry rub to stick on the chicken. Now we're going to put it back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes just to give it a nice color. For the spinach, we need a medium high heat, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 cubes of butter, a bit of red onion, a bit of garlic, salt and pepper. Gonna add the spinach now. The juice of half lemon. The spinach, we need to leave it for maximum 1 minute on the fire. Spinach is ready now. Now our chicken is ready. It's nice and crispy. I'm gonna cut 1 slice, so we're gonna see how it looks inside, and after I'm gonna plate it for you. If you can see, it's still nice and very juicy inside. This is one of my favorite dish. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you next time.